Hello everyone, welcome back to another What's for Dinner, and we are cooking with HelloFresh again this week. You guys know I love HelloFresh because it gets us out of that recipe routine, gets us trying new things, and it's also convenient because most meals are around 30 minutes. And what I also love about it is you can pick between the classic, veggie, or family, and we've went back and forth between classic and veggie, and you can also pause your subscription at any time. HelloFresh is now from $6.99 per serving, making it America's best value meal kit. So to get started with 6 free meals, that's 2 free meals in each of your first 3 boxes, go to HelloFresh.com and enter the code MissCrystal60 for a total of $60 off. All right, this week we are starting off with the Veggie-licious tacos. And I've heard about these before and I was so curious to try them. I'm just really into anything that makes kind of a unique taco, anything in it. I'm always down for a taco. So here I'm just prepping the veggies, getting everything ready. I've also rinsed the chickpeas and put them on a baking sheet and already put those in the oven. As expected, these were so good. I'm definitely making these again. It's so cool, the roasting of the chickpeas and just all the flavor you get. Awesome. We both loved them. So next up is the pasta parmesan, and it has zucchini and herbs and marinara sauce. I always love things like this because they're just so simple, but adding the zucchini gives it some hardiness. So this was really easy to make as well. So great if you're short on time. I really loved this one. I've made something similar like this myself at home, but this was a really just great, easy, quick recipe. All right, this was another winner again. Really simple one-pot meal, but what made it interesting and really good is that Tuscan heat spice. It just like jazzed it up enough that it wasn't a plain pasta dish. Great. All right, so HelloFresh must be reading my mind because I had recently been pinning a lot of flatbread recipes on my Pinterest board. And one of them was a similar one to this pear and balsamic onion flatbread. You guys always know I'm down for a good flatbread. It's always like the simplicity of it, but with, really fresh, good ingredients. And it had this awesome side salad with some chopped up pears in it as well. So here, I'm just getting the pears prepared, the sliced for the flatbread and the chopped up for the salad. Again, this was really simple with just mozzarella, pear, but it had a great oil, like a chili flake oil at the end that you drizzled on it, which again made the flavor great. Such simple ingredients, but with a lot of flavor, and it was really good. This was probably my personal favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you're not yet subscribed, please do so you don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.